Well, I have a problem. So we do these discussions every a couple of days about our office.
Yes.
And ostensibly you post them somewhere.
Yes.
I want to point out that yesterday on my LinkedIn, I got one. How did I get one search?
You appeared in one search this week.
You understand that I'm world famous. You could look me up. I don't Google, but I got one search. How is that possible? I got one search. Of all the people in all the world who knew everything about data and software and us and Alan Turing, I got one search.
Yeah, well, we ran yesterday a press release.
Oh.
That press release went out with the name AskTuring on it, and it had my name in the text. I got 742 searches yesterday.
Oh.
You only got one. Because somebody was probably smart enough to go, AskTuring, Guy Reams, who the freak is this company? They went to the website, or they went to Crunchbase, and they saw that you were the CEO.
I got one.
And they were smart enough to go a level deeper and search for who is the CEO of AskTuring, and they found you.
Who knows? Oh, and you got 700. I got one.
Yeah. Well, my name was in the press release.
It's amazing how it works.
But you made that decision. You cut your name out and put my name in there.
Because this caused a certain amount of emotional distance in my one.
Yeah, you got one.
Felt like nothing.
But this one could be the one.
No, it can't be. So, I think that's pretty good for us for now. I just...
Come on, there's no more technical question.
I got one more.
What are we doing here?
Watch this. Ready?
All right.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Okay. So it seems that the Zuck is having problem with WhatsApp, and the issue is security. So you ragged me. You told me I was retrieval. You waved your arms with a vector database. You tell them everybody we got privacy. We're a middle layer. We're middleware. We're in the middle. We're above them. We're below them. We're on top of them. Tell me about why we don't have or do have or need to have, and what's Zuck's problem with security?
So, I don't know the particular problem here, but I will tell you this, that WhatsApp is a highly popular app internationally. In the United States, it's not that popular. But internationally, WhatsApp is the dominant app for communication. And why is that? It's extremely flexible to have voice, video, and text messaging with anybody internationally. You know what a pain in the ass it is to fly over to India and have a phone call with somebody in the United States. It's not a simple exercise.
No, it's difficult.
It's surprisingly that's not simple, but it's not simple.
If they had a landline, that would be a completely different problem.
No, it would be freaking hard too, because there's all these exchange problems going on. There's not one company that rules the universe. We're not there yet. We're getting closer and closer and closer. Right now, there's not one company that owns the entire telecommunications.
So when you start the phone, it's got a lot of places before it
and
gets
everybody wants their little piece off the top of it. Like they want their tax or their...
But I'm focused on security. You're telling me that Alan...
Well, I'm getting to that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Come on.
I'm hanging on.
WhatsApp bypasses...
I learned how to say
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. WhatsApp.
WhatsApp bypasses all the telecom infrastructure that everybody's getting their little piece on, and it's doing it all over the internet. Right? So I'm able to, with my phone, have international communication with anybody I want to instantaneously, which is what WhatsApp is providing to people. Now there's other tools that do this, but WhatsApp very rapidly gained international traction. So you've got people from every country in the world.
That's a security problem.
You've got people sending messages. Now they're sending files. You can upload stuff off of your device.
They need one of those keys.
So is it a shock that they have a security problem now and then?
No.
So I don't know why somebody is a whistleblower going to WhatsApp, going to Meta and trying to claim that they're violating security. But I have an idea.
I'm ready.
Meta is a company that has built their entire infrastructure on collecting information from humans and using that information for profit.
Yeah, that's their business.
And they're freaking good at it.
Oh, that's good.
I mean, honestly, if you were to go advertise right now on X or LinkedIn, they are nowhere near as sophisticated as Meta.
No.
Meta is the most sophisticated ad platform that I know of today.
Zuck's boat has been in the San Diego harbor for a while.
It's a great boat. That's
Big.
a beautiful boat.
Okay, so that's their business. Now tell me how we help them.
So
we'd like to help Meta.
Hold on.
Sorry.
I'm trying to get there. So if you've got an app like WhatsApp, and it's collecting all this information about people, about who they're talking to, when they're talking to people, what they're sharing, why they're sharing it, who they're sharing it with, what files they're uploading. And you've got the parent company who's built their entire infrastructure on collecting and using information for profit. Is it a stretch to think that they might try to reach their hand into that cookie jar?
And create an LLM?
Well, they did create an LLM.
What? Oh, really?
Now, in Meta's defense, they were one of the first to offer the idea of offering that LLM up free as an open source project so people could participate, which hats off to them. That was actually a good thing. Yeah. Anyway, what was your question?
Can we help Meta? Do they need us?
No, not at all.
I won't call Zuck then.
But we could help users of Meta.
How would we help users of Meta?
People that want to keep their personal context private and free from inspection or snooping. You know, LinkedIn.
I had one search.
So,
Yes.
LinkedIn, just a few months ago, ever so quietly released this idea that they were going to now use AI to train on your messages, your posts, and your LinkedIn content. And you could go looking through the LinkedIn menus and you could eventually find the little checkbox where you could remove their ability to train on your
I
data.
couldn't find that box.
But it's there.
No.
You can find it.
Like
They
a
move
bot.
it around, but it's there.
They make it hard to find the box.
Yeah, they do.
That's not nice.
But the controversy is this was on by default.
Oh, you have to opt out.
Have you ever logged on and there's like an announcement, we've got a EULA change?
Yeah.
Our end user license and agreement has
It's
changed.
like an opera, EULA.
The EULA changed.
EULA.
EULA changed.
There's a EULA change.
Well, that's what happened.
EULA doula. But nobody sees it.
Yeah.
So they keep training
So
privately.
people that are using these gigantic cloud companies to store all their personal private data need protection. So we at AskTuring are protecting the little guy
Wow.
from the monsters
So
out
it's
there.
David and Goliath again.
Yes, that's what it is.
Well, I believe in that.
Yep. That's our ambition. Will we succeed?
That's not optimistic.
I don't know. We'll give it a shot.
Could you be more... What about speaking with certainty? It's not your nature.
Not my nature. So you're saying, Guy, here I'm with a couple $1 million that we've raised. I want you to go take on Meta and beat them at their game.
Okay.
And you're shocked that I'm suspicious about our ability to do that.
I remind you, just be, is it possible? Yeah. So I remind you of the Bills and the Ravens, in which the likelihood of the Bills winning was 1% with 3 minutes to go.
That's right.
And they won.
Yes.
So there are moments of magic that occur. And if you really have got that middle layer, then it's all buttoned up and you can't go hide, you can't get through it, that's a win.
I'm a believer, Neil.
Oh.
You know why?
Why?
Because I'm here.